Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this tutorial, we will address a common issue with the Conga 1790 vacuum cleaner, specifically when the wheel does not function due to a broken cable connection. Let's dive into the steps required to diagnose and replace the faulty cable. First, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a set of spanners. You may also need a pair of pliers for handling small components. Before starting, make sure the vacuum is unplugged to avoid any accidents. Begin by removing the screws located at the base of the vacuum cleaner. Use the Phillips screwdriver to carefully take out these screws, placing them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the base cover off to expose the internal components. Next, inspect the wheel assembly. You will notice the cable that connects the wheel to the main circuit board. In many cases, this cable will have visible signs of wear or breakage. If you see any frayed wires or broken connections, it's time to replace the cable. To replace the cable, first, disconnect it from the circuit board. This may require a flathead screwdriver to gently pry off any clips holding the cable in place. Be cautious during this step to avoid damaging the circuit board. Once the old cable is removed, take your new replacement cable and connect it to the circuit board. Ensure that it is securely fastened and that there are no loose connections. If you're unsure about the replacement process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the right solution for your vacuum cleaner. After connecting the new cable, it's essential to clean the internal components of the vacuum. Use a soft brush or a cloth to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help maintain the performance of your vacuum cleaner. Now, reassemble the base cover by aligning it with the screw holes and securing it with the screws you previously removed. Make sure everything is tightly fitted to avoid any rattling during operation. Before testing the vacuum, double-check all connections and ensure that the new cable is properly installed. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your vacuum repaired without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple, convenient service. Once you're confident everything is in place, plug in the vacuum and test the wheel functionality. If the wheel operates smoothly, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the cable. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, ensuring transparency in our services. In summary, replacing the wheel cable in your Conga 1790 is a straightforward process that can be accomplished with the right tools and a bit of patience. Regular maintenance and prompt repairs will keep your vacuum cleaner in top condition. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.